bite, bud. You ready? You ready? He's sliding over. Want to keep it up? Keep it upright? What do you think? You ready? Yeah. Mmm. More? Mmm. You know that video camera song, don't you? You ready? Say, this is the best one yet, huh? Yeah. It's the best one yet. See, we like it in the Vitamix. It's not as gritty. Mmm. Mmm. So we've got the open mouth down. Now we just need to work on swallowing, huh? Yeah, I know. This is the most enthusiastic we've been yet. Yeah, it's pretty good, huh? What do you think of that one? Is that so? Really? Does that mean you want another bite? Yeah. Here, bud. Do you kill me? You ready? You ready? Yeah. Mmm. See, we push most of it out, but we're working on our swallows, aren't we? See, as soon as we lose that tongue thrust reflex, we'll be good to go. Yeah. This one thing's kind of exciting, huh? It's kind of exciting, huh? What are you looking at? Those are funny noises, huh? You ready for one more bite? You ready for one more bite before we top you off with a bottle? Oh my goodness! Can we do another one? Can we do another one? No? Okay. Alright. Bye everybody! Say bye everybody!